Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're seeing this error, DXGI_device_hung, the GPU will not respond to more commands. There's finally a real fix. This error has been hitting AMD cards hard, especially the RX 9060 XT and RX 9070 XT. Games like Battlefield 6, Call of Duty Black Ops 7, and Arc Raiders were crashing with GPU hung, driver removed, GPU not accepting commands, all while using AMD Adrenalin 2 5.11.1. The good news? The latest Windows 11 update, the December 2025 update, quietly includes a patch that stops these crashes completely. Users reported that as soon as they installed this update, the DirectX error disappeared. No more hangs, no more crashing, no more downclocking the GPU just to keep games running. Some users also fixed it earlier with the optional update KB 5070311. But you don't need it anymore because the December 2025 final update already includes the same fix. Gamers are confirming. After installing the latest Windows update, the issue is gone. DirectX error is gone. Driver removed gone. Games finally stable again. So if you're still getting this GPU error, update Windows 11 to the latest December build. It should fix the problem instantly. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.